Hi and welcome to Belgian Diecast Restorations. I'm Johan, and first of all I want to wish everyone here on my channel a happy new year. The first model of 2023 is this ERF Marshall horsebox, number 35 in the Matchbox range and produced by Leslie between 1957 and 1963. This model was only issued in dark red, with the badge horsebox and either grey metal wheels or black plastic wheels. One of the previous owners of this model had a go at it with a paintbrush, painting it in blue and white. And as you can see, the door of the horsebox is missing. Nevertheless, the casting itself looks to be in great condition, so it is a good candidate for restoration. So let's get out the tools and get to work. As is common with these older Matchbox models, this truck is not riveted, but is held together with a metal lip that has been spread open. I use a set of pliers to loosen the lip, and by putting a screwdriver between the roof of the cab and the underside of the horsebox, I can pry the model apart. This model is pretty much glued together by the paint, and the parts need some persuasion to separate. Not a lot of parts on this model, the top of the horsebox and the body with the cabin and the wheels. Next I remove the wheels and axles by grinding away the axle ends. The axles are caked with paint and I have to tap them with a small hammer to remove the wheels. The plastic wheels as well as the axles take a bath in Dettol liquid disinfectant to remove the paint. The body and the horsebox depart for the caustic soda. When the paint is gone, just a shadow of the original dark red remains. I polish the parts with the wire brush to prepare them for painting. I got this new door from Model Car Parts in the Netherlands. I grind away the rough parts and polish it with the wire brush. The body is primed with AK Interactive Grey Primer. The horsebox and the door are primed in white. Then the body is sprayed in ruby red. For the horsebox and the door, I mix Vallejo dark sand with brown to darken it. Then I add a few drops of medium yellow to bring the paint closer to the original. When the paint has dried, I apply the detailing to the front grille and headlights with Tamiya metallic silver. This paint is less shiny than Molotov chrome and resembles more closely the original chrome trim from the Lesney factory. Finally, the paint job is sealed with Vallejo polyurethane gloss varnish. The wheels and the axles come out of the dettol. That blue paint was pretty stubborn, so I had to leave the parts in for a couple of days. After that, the paint just brushes off with a toothbrush. The wheels are in great condition considering their age. They just need a clean to get the remains of the dettol off, and I can safely store them for reassembly later. The dull axles are polished with the wire brush to bring back their shine. When the clear coat has hardened, it's time to reassemble the model. First, I need to attach the axles and wheels to the body. Since the wheels on this model are very small and reseated inside the wheel wells, the hammer and anvil method is risky when it comes to damaging the paint. So for this model, I decided to use the drill press method for the first time. I drilled a small indentation in the head of a nail to hold the axle in place. Then I inserted a hollow nail punch in the drill press. This is a fast and relatively safe method, but you have to take care that you don't put too much pressure on the axles, as they will bend if you're not careful. I didn't record the drill press process as I wasn't sure how it would turn out, but I will try to do this the next time. With the axles attached, I fit a new door in the slots. The horsebox is slid in the lip in the back, then with some pressure it snaps in place. Let's look at what we started out with. This ERF Marshall horsebox is more than 60 years old and had quite a life. It lost its door at one point and met a creative owner who painted it white and blue, getting paint all over the axles and wheels. And here is the model after restoration. The new paint job is very close to the Lesney factory paint. It has a new door and the wheels and axles have been cleaned and polished. It's a very simple model to start the year with, but without a doubt the first of many to come. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tick that notification bell. More restorations are coming up. See you in the next video.